Ever wonder if those super cheap bottle openers you find online are worth the savings? Today we're putting them to the test. But first I have to build a bottle caddy. Let's cut all the pieces to size. I am using reclaimed wood and scraps from previous projects to keep the cost down. Now with all the pieces cut, it's time to assemble the bottle caddy. All we've invested so far are the bottle openers and a few screws, keeping this build under a bottle. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if these cheap bottle openers can handle the job. It has to open at least 6 bottle caps to call this a success. Looks like it's holding up just fine. So there you have it. With a little creativity and some bargain hunting, you can make something great without breaking the bank.